If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Amazon Prime, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method linked to your Amazon account is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify the card details, including the expiration date and billing address. Step 2. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated or incorrect, update it. Go to your account settings, select your payments, and add or edit your payment information as needed. Step 3. Contact your bank. Sometimes banks may decline transactions for security reasons. Contact your bank or credit card issuer to ensure there are no holds or issues with your account that could be causing the declines. Step 4. Review Amazon account status. Check your Amazon account for any notifications or alerts that may indicate issues with your membership or payment status. Resolve any outstanding issues that may be affecting your account. Step 5. Reach out to Amazon customer service. If the problem persists, contact Amazon customer service for assistance. They can provide specific information about the payment declines and help you resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to address and resolve any payment decline issues with your Amazon Prime account.